Twarithia wa mĩithikiri Lawrence Rorot wokuru wa miaka 20 na uria ni raia wa bururi wa Uganda ni wohotanite macindano ma gutwarithia gaikia kaunti-ini ya Murang'a cia uraihu wa kilomita 70 hari macindano maya maria atwarithia 35 maranyitire itemi. Rorot wa timu ya Black Mamba Development ahuthirite ihinda ria mathaa 2 na ndagika 10 ino ari thibidi ya kilomita 32 hari o ithaa na akiaria thutha wa kuhotana. Rorot augite kunyita itemi mbitikaini hari ihinda ria miaka 4 ni kumuhete umenyo wa kuigana kumenya njira na cia migariurire makiria kona-ini cia barabara ya nyoka. Athagania a mbitika ici makiuria thirikari inyitirire muthako uyu kuona athaki matiganite mena taranda cia mathako matiganite handu ha kunyitagirira o mathako maria mari ngumo guku bururi-ini.
For today, like really, the course was good. I like the course. Sometimes we face with some potholes, but not so much potholes. Yeah, but I was really happy because I managed to break, and I was really happy for the win.
Initially, I was not intending to do it professionally, but right now I've been doing it. This is my first year, and I've been to a few races, and I think I'll be participating in more.
For me, it's the first time to race this race, and what I expect, we could come at podium in these races. Hope the route is well. I've been seeing this race live sometimes. It's a good race.
We have a lot of young people who would love to be in there to participate, but they don't have the capacity because the bicycles are very expensive. Yeah, so if the government can come in and support and encourage them, that would really help.